Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my first ever Fabfitfun box. This is a quarterly subscription and this is the winter box that I'm going to be unboxing in today's video. So before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. So as I said, Fabfitfun is a quarterly subscription and the price is $49.99. You can sign up to be a select member and I believe you have to pay for the yearly subscription, which is like $179. So you do save a little bit of money if you do that. All right, so here is what the box looks like. It is literally giant. I'm so excited. I have seen so many things about Fabfitfun, but I had never tried it before. So this is going to be my first ever box. And in here, I think you get makeup, hair care, skin care, and just other accessories. I did get to pick a few of the things in here. I can't really remember what I picked, but I'll tell you as I see them if I even remember. All right, so on top we just have a bunch of little papers. We have this little Fabfitfun magazine. That's interesting. I will definitely have to look through here in a little bit. And then we also got this HelloFresh gift card. It says it's a $90 gift card that you must claim within 30 days. So I'm definitely gonna check this out. I don't know if there's strings attached where you have to actually sign up for HelloFresh, but a $90 gift card does seem pretty cool. So I'm going to have to take a look at that later. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start grabbing things because kind of just random stuff. So the first thing are these lashes and I'm pretty sure that I picked these. These are from the brand Baddington Lashes and I do have these. I'm not sure if they're the same ones that I already have, but here are what they look like. These are just really long and wispy and it comes with lash glue. I picked this one because I wasn't really into the other choices and I cannot remember what they are now, but I am always in need of some new lashes. So these are really nice and I believe these are a little bit more expensive of lashes. So these are the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the ones I already have are the Monroe lashes and I remember really liking them. So I'm excited about these. All right, so the next thing I got is from Drybar and I love their products. So I'm so excited about this. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So I always need a good detangler because my natural hair is super curly, so it's really hard to brush. This says that it primes, preps, and detangles. I wonder if there's a card with prices. Maybe Fabfitfun does not do the little card with pricing, but this says that it's formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. It's a lightweight detangler that protects hair from heat. Oh, that's good because sometimes I do blow dry my hair. It says it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and 232 degrees Celsius, and it preps hair for optimal performance of styling products. So I'm definitely going to be using this. So far, so good. Sometimes with subscription boxes, I get a lot of things that I just end up putting in giveaways because I'll never use them. But so far, I'm definitely going to be using both of these. So next up, I got this right here. So this is Dead Sea Salt. It's a bath salt, which I always use Epsom salt, which I really like in baths. This says that whenever your body is in need of a revitalizing charge, look no further. Rich in skin-friendly minerals, including magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more. It says that it soothes your body with genuine relaxation to a general sense of relief and softening your skin. It says that you're supposed to soak for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. So this is interesting. I do like bath salt, so this is kind of cool to get. Okay, next up I have something here from Nails Incorporated, I believe is how you say that, or Nails Inc. And it says these are their Thirsty Hands Super Hydrating Hand Mask. So these look super cute. So this says that it's formulated with a blend of plant extracts, shea butter, and vitamin E. It's supposed to smooth and rejuvenate hands back to their best. I'm actually really excited because I get really dry hands and no matter how much moisturizer I put on, my hands are always dry. So I'm definitely going to be trying these out. It says to apply to clean dry hands, remove and unfold the gloves from the foil packaging and slip them on. You're supposed to wear these for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is super cool. I haven't really gotten products like these in any other of my subscription boxes. So I'm really excited. So the next thing that came in my box is a planner and I'm actually super excited about this. This is a 2020 planner. I am always using planners and I think this one is so adorable. I love this. The pattern is so cute. It has all of the holidays and everything in here. I love that for each day it is really long and then it has lines on it because I'm always writing down a ton of stuff what videos I need to post and Instagram posts and things like that. So I'm actually really excited about this. I really love all of these like non-makeup and skincare products. These are really cool. All right, so the next thing is so awesome to get in the box. I already have 2 of these, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. I'm actually an affiliate for this brand and I do a lot of posts for them because I genuinely love their product. So this is the makeup eraser. This is the original pink one. And I think that this is so cool that it came in the box. I love my makeup erasers so much. They're seriously amazing. If you guys have not tried one, I definitely recommend trying them out. I know a lot of people find them at like TJ Maxx and Marshall sometimes. So if you don't want to spend like full price on them, then I would check there. But also they've been having really good like deals on their website right now because of the holiday time. I know they had them half off the other day. I don't know if they're still half off, but yeah, I love my makeup erasers. So I think this is really cool. This one might be in like a giveaway because I already have 2 of them. So I think we're almost done. I think there's only like 2 things left in the box and they're like the biggest things. So they're at the bottom. All right, so I did get to pick this out and these are slippers. They did not have my size left, so I did have to get the bigger size and they are too big for me. So I'm probably just going to give these away. I might give them to like my mom or something. So I just thought these were so cute. I love the gray and I love the fur inside. I was really hoping that the bigger size was still gonna fit, but they're definitely too big. I didn't care if they weren't gonna fit because I can just give them away as I said, but I thought these were so cute, so I did get to pick these out. All right, so the last thing that came in my winter box, I also did get to pick out, and I'm so freaking excited about this. This is a fur blanket. So whenever I got to pick like my choices, it had prices of things, and I'm pretty sure the slippers were like super expensive, like $60 or something. And then this was really expensive as well. I believe this is like a $60 or $70 blanket, but seriously, it feels so amazing. I cannot wait to just like throw this on my couch and use it. I'm always cold, so I love having little like throw blankets like this. The only thing I'm worried about is that my cat might like try and like suck on it. She's like always sucking on blankets, so she's probably gonna like ruin my new fur blanket, but hopefully not. But I thought this was a really nice thing to pick out. So that is everything that came in my winter Fabfitfun box. I am so excited about this subscription. I'm kind of sad that it's only quarterly because I think this is probably gonna be my new favorite subscription. You get so many awesome products and I love that you can choose a few of your products each time. So if you guys get Fabfitfun, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your boxes. I know there were like a lot of different variations between the boxes, so I'm definitely curious to hear what you guys got. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And before you guys leave, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.